बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 28 जुलाई 2024 के अखबार में सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग। एक मारूफ़ कंपनी को अपनी किताबों की मार्केटिंग के लिए न्यू फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट नौजवानों की फ़ौरी ज़रूरत है। इंग्लिश में महारत रखते हों, हैंडसम सैलरी दी जाएगी। CV ईमेल करें mtayyab60@yahoo.com mtayyab60@yahoo.com 0336212292 0336212292। ज़रूरत टेक्निकल मैनेजर। नूरीबाद में वाक़ एक मारूफ सनती इदारे को अपनी फैक्ट्री में फर्नेस री रोलिंग मिल्स के लिए तजुर्बाकार टेक्निकल मैनेजर जो मुनासिब तजुर्बा रखता हो। राबिता फ़ोन वक़ास 0301837049 0301837049 zubair.khoker@populargroup.com.pk। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है। अर्जेंटली रिक्वायर्ड फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट विद गुड इंग्लिश एंड कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी, प्लीज़ सेंड योर CVs एट hiring@world enterprises.org। गुलशन इकबाल, कराची। ज़रूरत स्टाफ। कराची उर्दू बाज़ार सदर में किताबों की दुकान के लिए कम अज़ कम 5 साल तजुर्बाकार माकूल तनख्वाह राइडर की ज़रूरत है। तालीमी काबिलियत कम अज़ कम मैट्रिक। इंटरव्यू के लिए राबिता करें। अपनी CV इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप करें 033092100580 033092100580। IBA सखर IBA यूनिवर्सिटी मीरपुर ख़ास कैंपस। सखर IBA यूनिवर्सिटी इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम डायनामिक qualified and energetic candidates for its Mirpur Khas campus for the following positions. Number 1, project coordinator PPS 9, qualification BSc engineering or MBA/MPA, masters in project management or BS 4 years degree in economics or other relevant field from HSC recognized institutions. Experience minimum 5 years experience in project management or implementation with sound knowledge of project management fundamentals, particularly the government of Pakistan's project planning and management processes and procedures. Note, maximum age of 63 years on the date of appointment. Number 2, project accountant PPS 7, qualification 16 years of education in finance/accounting from a HSC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in the relevant field. Guidelines to apply. Interested candidates may submit online applications at http://apply.iba-suk.edu.pk. After submission of online applications, candidates may download system generated challan of ₹5,000 for PPS 9 and ₹3,500 for PPS 7. Non-refundable challan can be deposited in any branch of ABL Bank. Last date to apply August 16, 2024. Candidates are required to upload their required degree, CNIC, domicile, PRC, relevant experience certificates, 1 recent photograph and deposited challan when applying online. Candidates already in government services must apply through proper channel. Providing fictitious, exaggerated or misleading information shall result in rejection of application and termination of employment at any stage. The university reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of positions and accept or reject any or all the applications without assigning any reason thereof and cancel the whole recruitment process. Registrar Sakhar IBA University, Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui Road, Sakhar. Phone number 07156443339, 07156443339, 56441113, 56441113. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ यूपीएस और सोलर सिस्टम बनाने वाली मारूफ कंपनी को दर्ज सेल असामियों के लिए दरख्वास्तें मतलूब हैं। टेस्टिंग टेक्नीशियन DAE/डिप्लोमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यूपीएस और सर्किट रिपेयरिंग और टेस्टिंग का तजुर्बा। फील्ड टेक्नीशियन DAE/डिप्लोमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यूपीएस और सर्किट रिपेयरिंग और टेस्टिंग का तजुर्बा। ज़ाती मोटरसाइकिल असामी के उन्वान को सब्जेक्ट लाइन में लिखें। jobs.khi@systek.com.pk systek.com.pk 92A for Apple 1 Block 6 PECHS Karachi www.systek.com.pk Apply with latest CV and photograph by 7th August 2024। अच्छा जी। इंडस हॉस्पिटल एंड हेल्थ नेटवर्क इस पाकिस्तान लार्जेस्ट प्राइवेट नॉन प्रॉफिट हेल्थ केयर network with the mission to provide quality healthcare at no cost to the patients. Regional Blood Center Jamshoro managed by Indus Hospital and Health Network invites highly motivated and result oriented applicants in the following disciplines for its hospital: blood bank in Mithi and Matiari। ओके जी। इंडस हॉस्पिटल एंड हेल्थ नेटवर्क, लोकेशन मिठी एंड मटियारी। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट। अच्छा जी। सीरियल नंबर 1, पोजीशन टाइटल असिस्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट लीड / सीनियर ट्रांसफ्यूजन ऑफिसर। क्वालिफिकेशन MBBS with FCPS/MPhil hematology, experience 0 to 3 years। Serial number 2, medical officer / blood transfusion officer, qualification MBBS और experience house job complete। लोकेशन इन सब की है मिठी एंड मटियारी। अच्छा। सीरियल नंबर 3, टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट, क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर्स इन मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस, फ्रेश ऑनवर्ड्स एक्सपीरियंस। नंबर 4, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफिसर, क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर्स इन एनी डिसिप्लिन, एक्सपीरियंस कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी मस्ट। नंबर 5, फिलेबोटोमिस्ट, क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिकुलेशन 1 to 2 years relevant experience। सीरियल नंबर 6, ब्लड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, मैट्रिकुलेशन कंप्लीट कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी। 7, लैब अटेंडेंट, क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिकुलेशन, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लिखा हुआ है। अच्छा जी। सीरियल नंबर 8, क्लीनर, क्वालिफिकेशन मिडिल और 1 to 2 years relevant work experience। No TA/DA will be admissible for test/interview। Interested candidates can send their CV at careers@rbc@tih.org.pk careers careers rbc@tih.org.pk latest by 10th August 2024। Please mention the position title and location in the subject line। International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences HEJ Research Institute of Chemistry, Third World Center for Science and Technology and Dr. Panjwani Sector for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, University of Karachi, Karachi 75270752770. Non-academic position vacant PCMD. अच्छा जी, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर IT कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल, ठीक है जी. क्वालिफिकेशंस MS/ME/BS/BE IT/computer science/computer engineering bracket close or equivalent. The candidate must be certified as MCSA/MCSA along with CCNA. Must have experience in security appliance handling, IE, firewalls and UTMs. Experience 2 to 3 years for MS/ME or 3 to 4 years for BS/BE. Experience in leading multinational or national organizations managing ICT and computer network system administration, LAN/WAN technologies, web and video conferencing, Microsoft server, Cisco BM and CUCM and all other Cisco networks appliances and routing/switching, proficient in server management including RAID, RAID configuration, VMs, resource allocation, storage management, SAN/NAS with RAID controller cards, strong analytical and problem solving skills, ability to establish security policies using NGFW to protect organization digital assets, responsibilities, preparing and update network configurations in Cisco based environments, oversee failover and disasters recovery, ensure ICT compliances, applying patches/fixes to network devices and servers, configure and manage security firewalls and set up email gateways, maintaining and managing all institutional web portals, centralized wireless access controllers and its management with APs, perform or delegate regular backup operations, implement process for data protection, disaster recovery and failover procedures, manage, deploy, configure and install ICT services required for network security and at systems level. Applications along with attested copy of CNIC's testimonials and copy of this advertisement must reach to the director, ICCBS, University of Karachi, Karachi 752-270, Karachi 752-270 within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Director, ICCBS. The Sheikh Ayaz University, Shikarpur. Job opportunities. Applications on prescribed form are invited from qualified and eligible candidates for the recruitment against following positions on contract basis. Serial number 1, name of the position and pay scale, registrar, BPS 20 equivalent. Number of positions 1, serial number 10. अच्छा ठीक है. Number 2, controller of examinations, BPS 20 equivalent. Number of positions 1. तीसरी पोस्ट है डायरेक्टर प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, BPS 20 equivalent. पोजीशन 1. डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, BPS 18 equivalent 01. बर्सर, BPS 18 equivalent 01. डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर वर्क्स एंड सर्विसेज, BPS 17 equivalent 01. Number of positions manager admissions, BPS 17 equivalent 1. Number of positions deputy director library, BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 1. Assistant Registrar BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 2. Number 10. Assistant Director Finance BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 1. 11. Assistant Controller Examination BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 1. Serial number 12. IT Support Officer BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 2. Serial number 13. Assistant Director Civil BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 1. Serial number 14. Assistant Director Electrical BPS 17 equivalent number of positions 1. 15. Assistant Director Quality Enhancement Cell BPS 18 equivalent number of positions 1. Number 16. Assistant Manager Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization BPS 18 equivalent number of positions 1. 17. Assistant Director Security BPS 18 equivalent 01 number of positions. अच्छा जी, इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं. प्लीज़ विजिट वेबसाइट www.saus.edu.pk/careers for necessary information including eligibility criteria and to download application form. Only Sindhi domiciled are eligible. The upper age limit for BPS 20 equivalent positions is 55 years, whereas for BPS 17 and 18 equivalent positions the upper age limit is 45 years. The tenure for serial number 1 position is 4 years, extendable for one more term based on the satisfactory performance. However, for the rest of the positions from serial number 2 to 17, the tenure of contract is 1 year, extendable for further 2 years based on the satisfactory performance. Applications should include an application form, detailed resume, 2 latest photographs, duly attested photocopies of the certificate/degree/experience certificates along with payment of ₹3,000 to pay order/demand draft non-refundable in favor of the Sheikh Ayaz University, Shikarpur, and should reach in the office of registrar on or before 2nd September 2024. All candidates are required to submit Higher Education Commission HC attested degrees. Foreign degree holders must provide equivalence certificate issued by the HC. Candidates serving in government/semi-government and autonomous bodies should apply through proper channel, accompanied by NOC from the employer. Age, qualifications and experience shall be calculated/examined as on closing date of submission of application. Candidates applying for more than one post should submit separate application forms along with separate bank draft/pay order and necessary documents for each post. The university reserves the right of cancellation of advertisement. Cancellation of advertised posts partly or as a whole. The number of vacancies can be increased or decreased. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. No TA/TA will be admissible for appearing in the interview/written test. Registrar, the Sheikh Ayaz University, Shikarpur. Registrar at saus.edu.pk. Telephone number 0726920365 0726920365. अच्छा जी, HRSI की जॉब है. कंपनी ओवरव्यू. आर क्लाइंट, कराची बेस्ड कंपनी seeks to appoint experienced professionals for the following roles: middle management positions, installation manager. ठीक है जी. अच्छा जी, मैं सिर्फ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का ना आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ये आप लोग खुद देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। मैं आप लोगों को एजुकेशन बता देती हूँ। एजुकेशन मिनिमम 16 years of education, preferably masters from a renowned HEC recognized university or institution / equivalent foreign degree holder institution, preferably in engineering. Experience, preferably 6 to 8 years of professional experience, preferably in a large national / multinational organization with at least 2 to 6 years of related functional experience in a similar role at an equivalent position or in one level below position. Requirements: strong knowledge of inventory management systems and regulatory compliance. Relevant certifications in HSE and industry standards will be preferred. Familiarity with emergency response and crisis management protocols. Proficiency in developing and implementing automation and control systems for inventory management. Excellent leadership, communication and interpersonal skills. Inviting applications for the following locations: Karachi and Shikarpur. Age: the candidate should be preferably not more than 40 years of age as of the last date of submission of application. Junior / middle management positions. Operations head. की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़: ऑप्टिमम मैनेजमेंट ऑफ मैन पावर। की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का तो आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ये तो मैं आप लोगों को नहीं बता रही, ठीक है जी। आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, स्क्रीनशॉट इसका ले लीजिएगा। एजुकेशन मिनिमम 16 years of education, preferably masters from a renowned HEC recognized university or institution / equivalent foreign degree holder institution, preferably in engineering. Experience: preferably 3 to 8 years of professional experience, preferably in a large national / multinational organization with at least 2 to 6 years of related functional experience in a similar role at an equivalent position or in one level below position. Requirements: strong knowledge of inventory management systems and regulatory compliance. Relevant certifications in HSE and industry standards will be preferred. Familiarity with emergency response and crisis management protocols. ये पहले भी जो था ना इस रिक्वायरमेंट्स ही वही है। इनवाइटिंग एप्लीकेशंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग लोकेशंस: कराची, दौलतपुर, संघी एंड फ़कीराबाद। कराची, दौलतपुर, संघी एंड फ़कीराबाद. Age: the candidate should be preferably not more than 40 years of age as of the last date of submission of application. If you have the required experience and educational qualification to take up the challenging role, you are requested to apply by August 11th, 2024 at http://jobs.hrs-int.com/ only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. www.hrc-int.com HRSI. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। इसके बाद ये पाक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन एंड डिज़ाइन की वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।